Chris Clark here with Fostel. Today's Tech Talk is on the thermal laminating process.
Let's start by defining the process. The main purpose of constructing a laminate is to optimize physical and barrier properties. Thermal lamination is a process where two or more webs are bonded together using heat and pressure, but without the use of an adhesive. Because the heated materials form the bonding medium, it is important that both materials have similar thermal properties. Heat is applied to one or more of the webs prior to the laminating nip. In some cases, the secondary web is also preheated prior to lamination by passing it over a series of heated rolls. The laminator configuration typically includes a large diameter heated roll, so the primary web can wrap it for preheating prior to reaching the nip point. Not enough heat will result in poor bonding, while too much heat will distort or melt the web. Radiant heaters and heat transfer media such as hot oil and electricity are methods used to provide energy to the laminator. Each approach has advantages, with maximum temperature and speed of response being significant factors in selection. Product uniformity can only be assured if the process conditions across the web in the transverse direction are consistent. Uniformly heating a laminating roll is not a simple matter. Careful design is needed to ensure the typical 2 to 3 degree maximum temperature deviation. These techniques include building a roll within a roll, the so-called double wall roll. The heat transfer medium is channeled between these walls using a progressive spiral channel, which provides a more consistent controlled heat flow that minimizes stagnant areas and enhances heating uniformity. The typical operating conditions of a thermal laminator can be characterized as follows: high temperatures of the web and laminating roll, high nip pressure, and short to medium dwell time in the nip. In closing, there are a few general design considerations for a thermal laminator. The amount of heating applied and temperature required is determined by factors such as material type, material thickness, and operating speed. And finally, cool the web quickly post-lamination to ensure the bond is set prior to winding. If you have a thermal laminating project or other process that needs assistance, please consider the Fostel Technology Center as your resource for all things web converting.
Thank you for joining me. Please contact us so we can help with your equipment needs, and see you again soon with another Fostel Tech Talk.